The North Spokane Corridor is under construction in northeast Spokane. Work is underway in the northern half of the route beginning near Francis Avenue. Follow along, starting at the Freya roundabout, as we take an aerial tour of current construction with some animation clips and see the work in progress. As the new freeway facility travels north from Freya, it passes over Lincoln Road with a new bridge and climbs the hill toward a new bridge over Gerlach Road. At several locations, you'll also see the pedestrian and bicycle trail. The trail parallels the NSC through its entire length, connecting with other trails along the route. After the Fairview Road Bridge, the new highway drops down to the Burlington Northern Railroad Tunnel. It's not really a tunnel, but a series of concrete arches that span the tracks and will be covered with fill, followed by the concrete freeway lanes above. Watch the time-lapse as individual arches are brought together to form the tunnel. 444 precast arch pieces were used to form the 222 arches that will support the freeway. It took about 45 minutes to set and connect each arch. After the new route crosses the BNSF tracks, it will cross Market Street, Park-Smith Road, and a railroad spur. An interchange with Park-Smith Road is planned for construction at a later date. The highway skirts the community of Mead and continues to the north. You'll notice that the new freeway surface is concrete. It's a durable surface that will withstand the impact of heavy traffic for many, many years. Here's a look at the paving work. The concrete surface is produced in a single operation, with the mix going in one end, and the result? The final 12-inch thick highway surface. Funding for the current construction was allocated by the legislature during the 2003 session as part of the special NICO package. The package has provided the funding to build a drivable section that will open in two segments. Francis to Farwell opens in 2009, and under the current budget plan, the portion from Farwell to Wandermere would open in 2011. With the limited funding that is available, this first segment from Francis to Farwell will have one travel lane in each direction with a wide median. The second segment, from Farwell to Wandermere, will be a full divided freeway with 4 lanes. When dollars become available in the future, the other lanes will be added, creating the full divided freeway. 4 bridges were built across Farwell Road. The Farwell Road, Shady Slope Road, and US 2 interchange is the most complex part of this new freeway construction. 2 bridges for Shady Slope Road are complete and carrying traffic. Coming up is a major job where the contractor will excavate and lower the grade of US 2 to fit under the new freeway. More bridges will be built to complete the interchange connection with US 2 and Farwell Road. US 2 currently travels on a temporary alignment to keep traffic moving during construction. After crossing over US 2 and under Shady Slope Road, the new freeway turns to the west, where the roadway is below the surrounding terrain. This area is already graded out and ready for surfacing and pavement. As seen in the animation, now the freeway is expanded to its ultimate configuration of 4 lanes, with 2 lanes in each direction. The funded construction of the North Spokane Corridor consists of a series of 8 contracts, with 4 completed, 3 underway, and 1 more ready to be built. An earlier contract completed the Perry Road Bridge that is now open to traffic, accessing the adjacent residential and commercial area. The temporary crossing built on the fill will be removed. Work in this area will be part of the final contract in the series. The last stretch, from Perry Road to the existing US 395 highway near the Wandermere Golf Course. Upon completion of this segment, traffic will begin to flow through about 5 miles of the corridor on the new drivable link, just about halfway to Interstate 90. A temporary link on surface streets, such as Green Street and Freya, will bring traffic to the existing east-west Interstate 90. Back up north, the final contract in this series includes the construction of the 2 bridges that make the connection between the North Spokane Corridor and existing US 395. The North Spokane Corridor, now under construction.